Cao Cao, 155 to 220, a prominent warlord and the penultimate chancellor of the Eastern Han dynasty, is known for his military and political prowess. Here are 3 notable quotes attributed to him. "I'd rather betray the world than let the world betray me." Cao Cao, a prominent warlord and strategist during the late Eastern Han dynasty, is often remembered for his sharp intellect and ruthless pragmatism. One of his most famous quotes, "I'd rather betray the world than let the world betray me," encapsulates his approach to leadership and survival during a time of great political upheaval and constant warfare. This statement provides a window into Cao Cao's worldview, revealing his emphasis on self-preservation, strategic pragmatism, and a flexible approach to ethics. Contextual background. Cao Cao lived in an era where trust was scarce, and the political landscape was fraught with betrayal and shifting allegiances. As a key figure during the tumultuous Three Kingdoms period, his survival and success depended on his ability to navigate this volatile environment. His reputation as a cunning and strategic leader often placed him at the center of political machinations, requiring him to make decisions that prioritized his own survival and ambitions. Literal and philosophical implications. The literal meaning of Cao Cao's quote is straightforward: he would prefer to betray others if it meant avoiding betrayal himself. This sentiment underscores a strong instinct for self-preservation and highlights his pragmatic approach to leadership. In philosophical terms, it reflects a worldview where moral principles are secondary to personal and political survival. This mirrors the Machiavellian idea that the ends justify the means, suggesting that actions should be judged based on their outcomes rather than their inherent morality. Moral and ethical dimensions. Cao Cao's willingness to betray others before being betrayed points to an ethical relativism, where the morality of an action is determined by its context and consequences rather than any absolute moral code. This perspective introduces a moral ambiguity that characterizes much of Cao Cao's leadership. In a time when rigid adherence to ethical norms could lead to one's downfall, his approach highlights the complex moral landscape of his era. It suggests that survival and success often required difficult ethical compromises. Psychological aspect. The quote also reveals psychological dimensions of Cao Cao's character. It suggests a deep-seated mistrust in others, possibly stemming from personal experiences of betrayal. This pervasive mistrust likely fueled a paranoid mindset, where the expectation of betrayal by others justified preemptive betrayal. Such a mindset would have been crucial in a context where alliances were fragile, and loyalty was often fleeting. Leadership and strategy. From a leadership and strategic perspective, Cao Cao's quote underscores a pragmatic, if ruthless, approach to governance and military strategy. It implies that effective leadership during times of crisis involves making tough decisions that may require ethical flexibility. For Cao Cao, this meant prioritizing his own safety and success, even if it involved betraying others. His approach also emphasizes risk management, particularly the risks posed by potential traitors or enemies. Conclusion. Cao Cao's statement, "I'd rather betray the world than let the world betray me," offers a profound insight into his leadership philosophy. It captures the essence of his pragmatic and sometimes ruthless approach to navigating the complexities of political and military life in ancient China. By prioritizing self-preservation and success over strict moral codes, Cao Cao exemplified the harsh realities of leadership during one of China's most tumultuous periods. His legacy, as reflected in this quote, remains a testament to the intricate balance between ethics and survival in the realm of power and politics. The capable person is assigned more work, the sincere person is given more responsibility. The sentence, "the capable person is assigned more work, the sincere person is given more responsibility," offers a profound insight into how organizations can effectively leverage the skills and character traits of their members. This statement highlights the strategic allocation of tasks and roles based on individuals' abilities and integrity, reflecting a nuanced approach to organizational dynamics and leadership. Literal interpretation. The phrase suggests that individuals who demonstrate high capability and efficiency are often tasked with more work. Their skills make them reliable choices for handling increased workloads, ensuring that tasks are completed effectively and efficiently. On the other hand, individuals who exhibit sincerity and genuine dedication are entrusted with greater responsibility. Their integrity and commitment make them suitable for roles that require oversight, decision-making, and accountability. Philosophical implications. The underlying philosophy of this statement is rooted in meritocracy, where individuals are rewarded based on their skills, capability, and ethical behavior, sincerity. It implies that both practical ability and moral character are highly valued in a well-functioning organization. This meritocratic approach ensures that tasks are allocated to those best equipped to handle them, while leadership roles are given to those who can be trusted to act with integrity. Additionally, the statement recognizes the need for specialization within an organization. Capable individuals are efficient in execution and are therefore assigned more tasks. In contrast, sincere individuals are better suited for roles that involve leadership and careful management due to their trustworthiness and dedication. This division of roles ensures that both the operational and strategic aspects of the organization are effectively managed. Organizational dynamics. In terms of organizational dynamics, the sentence highlights the balance between efficiency and trust. Capable individuals are seen as essential for optimizing productivity, while sincere individuals are viewed as pillars of trust and reliability. This balance is crucial for a successful organization, as it ensures that tasks are executed efficiently and leadership roles are managed with integrity.
The statement also suggests that a harmonious organization requires both types of individuals. By assigning more work to capable individuals, organizations can enhance efficiency and productivity. Meanwhile, by giving more responsibility to sincere individuals, organizations build a culture of trust and integrity, which is essential for long-term success. Psychological aspects. From a psychological perspective, the allocation of work and responsibility can serve as a form of motivation. Recognizing capable individuals by giving them more work can encourage them to maintain or improve their performance. Similarly, entrusting sincere individuals with greater responsibility validates their character and commitment, reinforcing their sense of trust and reliability within the organization. However, there are potential risks associated with this approach. Capable individuals might experience stress and burnout if they are overloaded with work, while sincere individuals might feel pressured by the increased responsibility. It is essential for organizations to manage these risks by providing adequate support and ensuring a fair distribution of tasks and responsibilities. Leadership and management.
Effective leadership involves strategic delegation, where leaders recognize the strengths of their team members and allocate tasks accordingly. Capable individuals are given tasks that maximize their skills, while sincere individuals are assigned roles that leverage their trustworthiness. This approach not only enhances organizational efficiency but also fosters a culture of trust and commitment. Furthermore, assigning more work to capable individuals can be part of their professional development, pushing them to refine their skills and take on new challenges. Similarly, giving more responsibility to sincere individuals can prepare them for higher leadership roles, creating a pipeline of trustworthy and committed leaders. Conclusion. The statement, "The capable person is assigned more work, the sincere person is given more responsibility," encapsulates a strategic approach to leveraging individual strengths within an organization. By recognizing and utilizing both practical skills and ethical character, organizations can ensure a balanced and efficient work environment. This approach not only enhances productivity but also fosters a culture of trust, commitment, and professional growth, contributing to the long-term success of the organization. Do not let others know the thoughts of your heart, and do not reveal your ambitions to others. The sentence, "Do not let others know the thoughts of your heart, and do not reveal your ambitions to others," offers sage advice on the importance of maintaining personal discretion and strategic secrecy. This guidance, emphasizing self-preservation and emotional protection, holds significant implications for personal, professional, and strategic contexts. Literal interpretation. The phrase advises individuals to keep their innermost feelings and personal reflections private and to avoid sharing their goals and aspirations with others. This dual focus on concealing both emotional thoughts and ambitions serves as a protective mechanism, shielding individuals from potential harm and manipulation. Philosophical implications. At its core, this advice is about self-preservation and strategic discretion. By not revealing your innermost thoughts and ambitions, you protect yourself from emotional harm and vulnerability. Sharing personal thoughts can expose one to criticism, sabotage, or betrayal. This approach aligns with the philosophical idea of maintaining power through mystery and unpredictability. Keeping your ambitions private allows you to control your narrative and how others perceive you, giving you a strategic advantage. Psychological aspects. From a psychological perspective, this advice promotes emotional self-protection. Avoiding emotional exposure by keeping inner thoughts private helps in preventing exploitation in conflicts. This approach fosters resilience and self-reliance, as individuals learn to depend on their own counsel. However, there are potential downsides, such as the stress of constant concealment, which can lead to feelings of isolation. Additionally, this approach can impact trust dynamics in relationships, as others might perceive you as secretive or untrustworthy. Leadership and strategy. In the realm of leadership and strategy, this advice underscores the importance of maintaining a strategic edge. Leaders who keep their long-term plans and strategic intentions private can avoid giving rivals the opportunity to counteract their moves. In negotiations, revealing too much can weaken one's position, while maintaining secrecy helps preserve a strong negotiating stance. Selective disclosure, where leaders share their thoughts and ambitions only with trusted allies, can build strong, loyal relationships without exposing themselves to undue risk. Cultural and historical context. The wisdom of maintaining discretion has historical precedents. Many historical leaders and strategists, such as Sun Tzu in The Art of War, have emphasized the importance of secrecy and deception in achieving success. Cultural norms in various societies also uphold the value of reserving one's personal thoughts and ambitions, considering it a wise and prudent approach. In modern professional environments, maintaining a level of discretion about career ambitions can prevent office politics and envy from hindering progress. In personal relationships, while openness is important, maintaining some level of privacy can protect against potential emotional harm. Conclusion. The sentence, "Do not let others know the thoughts of your heart, and do not reveal your ambitions to others," advocates for a balanced approach to personal and strategic disclosure. By maintaining discretion about your innermost thoughts and ambitions, you protect yourself from potential manipulation and emotional harm while preserving a strategic advantage. This approach ensures that you maintain control over your personal narrative and protect your emotional well-being. However, it is essential to balance discretion with the need for trust and intimacy in relationships, ensuring that the wisdom of strategic discretion does not lead to isolation or mistrust. This balanced approach fosters a resilient and strategically sound personal and professional life.